Alright, hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be showing you guys how we mount a leaf spring on a Mercedes-Benz 608 truck. So this is the spring we are working with here. So this is the spring, the leaf spring we're working with here. The other one is still on the truck, and this one we changed the number 1 and the number 2 spring, and then we changed the center bolt. As you can see the broken number 1 and the number 2. Okay, we reused the number 2 here, but removed another one so we can balance the spring. So this is the main springs that we changed, and then the center bolt. So in today's video we're just going to be showing you guys how we mount the spring. So come along with us, so stay tuned. As you can see, this is the manchi that I'm working with here. Manchi, show your face now. This is the manchi I'm working with, so stay tuned.
I want to repair.
Alright, we are live. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nani?
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Resign. 1, 2, 3, go. What did they do now?
Now, as we take Benz now, I need to come off my hand now. You know, I stand before. I know balance.
Where's that tail, my friend?
Go to.
Go back.
Back. Where did that rubber, Junior?
Huh?
Where did that rubber? Only the 2 now you use.
See rubbers everywhere now.
The white one you bring. The 2 white one I use for you.
Yes.
China white man. Map now to drop Jacko.
Yep, my shit.
Ne kwanu mo. Ne kwanu nwa. Nwa ngwatara na. Hapo maka. Rapo mwaka. Rapo mwaka.
You know.
Wow.
Hello, target nobody here.
We don't put it like that too.
No, you cannot put it like that too. You cannot put it like that. Only go. Kanga with the asset, kanga with the go.
You can't do your sis now. We do. I tell somebody you go bring and do your sis.
Listen like this. A man never come na time can never jam in there. How come na father dey now? You make a for to bring out this. You cannot be. You can make some. You go with that.
Well, now call and make it come bring and come out.
You say you go with the go. They be man na get with the way. You would have your job. I will say
only you talk say.
What was that? That's make it be say the motor don't come out. Anything you know that thing can happen. It's not good now. Protect me, but I rely on you for protection.
Only you do yourself.
Come, I want to do an ammo, better the do ammo.
I don't want to talk.
See, we go there up to the side. We no go only that side. Now you go tight. See the yellow. We go there up to the comfort.
No, now if you want to put this one, now we go put that.
Which one?
This one.
Now I'm saying you go come
That one now, that one dey lock. That fan holder. This one nothing holder.
I see what will happen. Now that your own, you always come out. Just leave am for them. Then this one, if you leave am like that, then once you bring the code, if you put am there, you raise and put am back.
You know say no, leave that one, no tie that one. You know say that one, this one now, do one please, but that one now, even though say you don't put am, if you shake that thing, put the spring, but this one now, it dey hard.
Make I title it the upper, abi man.
No, no tighten anyone.
A few moments later.
Come on for that man.
Alright guys, so it looks very unsafe because as you can see, the truck is only hanging off of that heavy duty jack over there. So I know it looks very, very unsafe and we are like wobbling and stuff, but trust me, we are professionals. We've done this 1,000 times, like we've done this so many times, so we know what we are doing. Despite this guy behaving like a chicken, wobbling and falling over the keys, as if this is the first time he's doing it, but trust me, we are professionals. And yeah, as you can see, the leaf spring is currently in place. The only thing, like the only issue we have now is that there is this cone that's supposed to be here, and the owner didn't bring it, and that's why we are having like this back and forth argument with him. So he's going now to bring the cone. So that's the only thing holding us now to, like, you know, drop it onto the actor and then tie the U-boat. So that's the only thing holding us now. But other than that, we are done.
This guy don't put something for my eye.
Sorry, other than that, we are done. So other than that, we are done. So that's how we mount a leaf spring here in Nigeria. It's all manpower. Like there's no assist, there's no like machinery we're using to do it. It's only about manpower that we're using to do it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and thank you. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more. And with that said, thank you for tuning in. Now I'm sure to see you in the next one. Peace out. Stay safe.